The Sultanate celebrates International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, organized by the Executive Office of the National Committee for Narcotics and Psychotropic Substances under the theme, Move On, Initiate, the Community Needs You. The theme of this year highlights the importance of having an essential role to play in tackling the drugs problem, especially in the fields of prevention, rehabilitation, studies and researches. In the world today, the most common addictions found are that of drugs and alcohol. Governments around the world have invested billions in the rehabilitation and control of the use of these substances, but the problem and addiction still affects many each year.
Drugs, as everybody is aware of, is a dark path leading either to death or imprisonment or disease. The ministry is coordinating the efforts to tackle the problem of drugs. We have a detoxification center in Muscat, in addition to a rehabilitation center. And there is another one in Rostaq, and there is an upcoming one in Suhar. This will tackle part of the issue, but the main responsibility is on the families, individuals and families, to make the young aware that drugs can lead to their death or imprisonment.
The celebration included the announcement of the results of the community competition of drugs and psychotropic substances control. The competition is a participatory work based on adopting and implementing community-based projects aimed at reducing the problem of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. A central team and sub-teams were formed to evaluate the projects according to the established criteria for this purpose.
Drugs and substance misuse is a major problem in communities, and in Wilayat Suwaiq we try to provide the prevention and protection for the young to get rid of this problem.
It's a joint effort in Wilayat Bosher to identify families of people who misuse drugs, to educate them and help them to get rid of this problem. And the most important thing is to help them to provide a stable income for them.
Royal Oman Police efforts on combating drugs and psychotropic substances was highlighted in the ceremony, including awareness activities aimed at educating young people about the health and social effects of drug abuse. During the celebration, the first version of the manual for preparation of awareness programs in the field of drugs and psychotropic substances was launched.